Happy first day of Vlogmas, friends, and you know what that means? We gotta decorate. We have to set the Christmas mood for Vlogmas. Which means we have to turn whatever in the world this living room is, let me give you the whole picture here, into a beautiful
Christmas wonderland.
Yeah. We have to do some rearranging because we have a new member of our family, as in the last few months. This is Mia. She is very large and in charge, a beautiful lady. Takes up a lot of space with her kennel and also a lot of, that's a terrible angle. She's very like bouncy, if that makes sense. So we can't put the tree where we usually put it. We usually put it, I don't know if you can see behind me, where their kennels are. So we need to rearrange a little bit, and it is gonna go in this corner right here where the couch is. So we have to rearrange the couch and clean a little bit. But I'm super excited, and I'm really, really stoked to start Vlogmas and also get ready for the Christmas season and get in the Christmas spirit. Holy guacamole! To carry me. No! I just needed a little hand, not carry. I'm hanging these curtain lights. There's just no light in this room. There's just darkness. I'm planning on putting them like on the lower wall here and wrapping. They're 10 feet, so I think they're only gonna cover this wall. I kind of wanted them to wrap around, but that's okay.
You're on your own.
I had these hung up in my office. Oh God. It's all gone so wrong. Freaking pretty it is! It was perfect. It's gonna be absolutely terrible. I hate this part. Like, look at all these gaps. And like, do I care? No. But then I do. I do care. I don't. I'm done. My mother is like super particular about her tree, which is fantastic for her. I'm just not. I just don't care that much. I fill the gaps with ornaments. So I forgot that my lovely puppy last year, oh, come here with me, chewed. I don't know if you can even see this. You see this? Yeah. That is supposed to have a plug attached to it that goes into the electrical to light this tree up. So I have to string part of it. I think if I just string part of it, like the bottom with lights, then it'll work. And I just plug it into the other one. Last year, I just restrung the entire thing because I didn't really think about that. But I don't know. We'll see. Hey, Colton, my theory worked. How does it look? I mean, it's not terrible. Just got a few little gappy poos Thanks, kid. I don't know if you heard my son. He says, it's got character. Look over here. Beautiful. She looks pretty. She's grand. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, Lord. We gotta put it back together. Okay, so this is exactly why we blocked the bottom of the tree off. It's to keep her big ol' butt from going under there.
Oh, God.
Mia, no. But yet she opens the toy box because that's where their bones and stuff are. We put the two end tables here because the other one should go right there where the kennel is. So obviously that can't happen. But it's looking really cute. I'm just going to do the table tonight. Take the fall stuff off, and then we are going to move this desk upstairs at some point. Not tonight though, but at some point we're going to take this desk upstairs just because, as you can see, we don't have a lot of room down here, especially with adding a second big kennel. Okay, I'm done. This is the most Christmassy that my house has looked this early in the year. Thank you guys for joining us for our little decorating adventure. Nothing super fancy. I don't go super all out. I mean, eventually we'll do the outside too, but I just wanted to get a little bit of a start today and get the tree up. Just, we won't look at the bottom down. We'll just look at that part. But anyways, thank you guys so much for joining me today, and I will see you tomorrow for day 2 of Vlogmas. Bye!